Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anastasia, I'm 20 years old and I study mechanical engineering at ETH. And today is the first day of the fourth semester. I don't know how to put my camera. I had a 2-week break this time, which I was quite sad about it because we had less time to study and I'd rather have more time to study than fail my exams and have a longer break. But I actually don't even know if I passed my exams. We're gonna find out, I think, on Wednesday, and I'm really scared. So I feel like I had a good break and I can't say I'm ready to get back into it because I don't think you will ever be because it's traumatizing, but I like it. So most of the weekdays this week we're gonna start at 12 and finish at 6, I believe. I never ever go to lectures. The first semester I went to absolutely every single lecture, every single Übungsstunde, like seminar, and I still like it was useful because I felt locked in, but in the same time, in the second semester, when I literally watched all the lectures in my bed, I got better grades. So I don't know what the logic there is. But yeah, honestly, I don't really see myself going to lectures besides this first week because they're from 12 to 6 and you don't get anything in between except for 15 minutes. I'm not even gonna have like a proper meal. So I'm just gonna get tired and I won't be able to focus. So I'm kind of doing this for anybody that's, I don't know, interested in studying at ETH, because when I was applying to universities, I would always watch YouTube videos of what it's like to study in this university, etc. And for ETH, there was only this one Greek girl, Maria, I think her name was, and I mean, her videos were really great, but I feel like now they're a bit outdated because the syllabus changed and stuff, so maybe my experience will be of some use to somebody. Okay guys, this is the outfit. It's this top from Brandy Melville, and before anyone says anything, I love Brandy Melville and you can't change my mind about that, because if you go to like Zara or H&M, not only is that shit fast fashion, it also feels like plastic because it's literally made out of plastic. This is 100% cotton. Yeah, and the pants are thrifted. Let's pack everything else. I'm taking my iPad. Usually if I go, I'll take my laptop too, but I don't think I need anything today. I don't know what I'm taking. Like my iPad I usually need for writing down things in the exercise sessions, because usually the TA will provide a template and you can write on the empty template and then check with the answers that they usually release later that day. But in terms of lectures, I never take notes throughout the lecture because I don't know, you can always find a script usually, and also I can't multitask like that. So, final fit. I left early because I want to go to this perfumery store to smell 2 perfumes that I really like from Van Cleef and Arpels, because I can find them at Sephora. At the Bahnhof, they don't even have any perfumes. I don't know why, I thought they do. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to Woof. Oh my god, we're gonna get crushed by a car. Yes, white like this. Okay, how do I? Okay, guys, we finished the first lecture. Did you like it?
It's giving PDMS.
Yeah, it's very. We had this course.
Chemistry and physics.
Yeah, engineering, design, and material selection, and this is what that felt like. But I feel like it's gonna get harder. I don't know.
Yeah, but
It wasn't that hard.
We're still finding one. We didn't exactly break up, but I guess, it's a relationship, because at the beginning we have an app. And we look outside, you can, black out the noise of your kids screaming. You can just watch the snow falling.
What do you think?
yeah, it's fine.
I don't know. I think he talks more interestingly than the first one.
But he's not talking about something that I can actually apply.
Yeah, but that's because it's the first lecture. Anyway, yeah, we just had the first half of fluid dynamics, and I don't know, it was okay. It was better than Woof because at least the professor wasn't boring, but I think he was trying to be like really modern with the slang and stuff.
Students were asked to basically fracture their.
Okay guys, we got home. We were supposed to have another pair of Übungsstunde, but because it's the first week, we don't have the Übungsstunde. So yeah, we went home and now we're gonna do groceries because both me and Meher ran out of food. And yeah. Hello everyone, it's Tuesday. It's really early in the morning, that's why my light is on. And I'm not excited to say the least. So first we have Thermo 2 or 3, I think Thermo 2. And apparently this class is not recorded. Tell me why it's fucking not recorded. It has to be recorded, okay? Because I'm not waking up every Tuesday at 6 just to go to Thermo. I've had my shit with Thermo last semester and I don't like that course. Keep it away from me. Eva, are you excited for Thermo? No?
No. Is this 1 or 2?
Are you... we finished, what do we have? Thermo 2. It was really boring and it was kind of just an introduction. The light is really bad. So yeah, maybe the next lectures will be more fun. And now at the Mensa we went to ETH. We never really go here. And Eva got this concoction. Is it good, Eva?
Yep.
So I finished my lecture, the politics one, and it was really interesting. But like before every class there's a mandatory 30-page reading. Not that it's a lot, but like I just can't make myself put in effort into a subject that's not gonna, like that's not mandatory, you know, for me to pass my semester. Fuck, I don't even need to go here. So right now we have our last lecture, which is stochastics and machine learning. Oh, she's really excited. We have Carlos. We had Carlos for the previous like 2 semesters.
Hey guys.
Hello, we're back home.
Yep. I stayed a bit longer because I had a Gästfach and Anastasia came home.
Tell us about your Gästfach.
My Gästfach is soccer analytics. I never know how to say it. Analytics.
Analytics.
And yeah, that one. And it was kind of fun. We had the main professor, but also a guest lecturer. He was, don't quote me on this, but he was like vice rector of ETH or something. Oh. Yeah, he's like also really good at chemistry.
The one that talks with the hoodies?
No, that's the actual rector. He came and he held a presentation. He showed us a bunch of montages of like Champions League finals, and he's like a big Bayern fan. Oh. And my other professor's a big Dortmund fan, and they're like rivals. Yeah, it was quite nice because it's with a different group of friends, so it's a nice Abwechslung, and it's just like, it's a fun course, I guess. And yeah. And they go afterwards to the pub and watch football. Yeah, I might do that next week. Yeah. And you get credits for this course. 3 credits. No, 3? 3 credits. Fuck, I have to take that. I hope, you know. I hope I didn't just make that up.
Good morning. It's Wednesday. And it's 9:06 and I'm going to the gym. I signed up to Pilates and it's on the main campus. So Pilates is going to be from 10 to 11. And then at 12 I start my coursework. I have 2 classes today from 12 to 4. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember what they are, but we'll see. I don't know what this weather is, but you can like almost see the sun. What's really cool about ETH is in the main building they have a sushi vending machine from Tiny Fish, and if you catch them fresh, they're so good.
But I'm going to try constructively and destructively interfering on the screen.
And time given to provide. And we shall tell you about it more next week. Thank you very much, guys.
Hi guys, we are home and we're gonna watch. What are we watching?
21st Jump Street.
21st Jump Street. I don't know what that is, but I don't have a choice.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can say 21st century.
What?
No, because it's like, it's a street.
Hello, yesterday was Thursday, today's Friday, And yesterday we just had one lecture, so I didn't really film. And we were supposed to have obviously more things, more exercise sessions, but we don't because it's the first week. It's a really chill week actually. I'm really surprised. And yeah, now I'm going to a lecture and then the first exercise session for this whole week, which is I think stochastics and machine learning. So I took my laptop just in case. And after that I also signed up to T-bow Pilates because I've never tried T-bow Pilates. It's like that semicircle thingy. So I finished my Pilates class. It was very interesting. I'd never done Pilates with a T-bow before. It was supposed to be easier than normal Pilates, but for me personally it was harder. So basically ETH has a really wide variety of sports, and I think I only started doing sports in the second year because first year I didn't have time at all for any hobbies whatsoever. Especially first semester. I think second semester I could have, but because I was so locked in the first semester, in the second one I kind of chilled out and I didn't want to do anything physical activity related. But third semester I started going to the gym. They have a bunch of gyms. Sometimes they're full, sometimes they're not, but they have great facilities. So I think that's also what makes this uni really cool.